Direct replacement. This exhaust manifold hardware kit matches the original hardware required to secure the exhaust manifold to the engine on specified vehicles. Ideal solution. This kit is a reliable replacement for the original hardware that is missing or damaged, or has failed. Durable construction. This kit is made from quality components to ensure reliable performance and a long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by a team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Top reviews from the United States. Bought this bolt kit for my 99 Cherokee. Bought for my 99 Cherokee 4.0 because I had to replace the original exhaust manifold due to a huge crack in the original bolts were crusty looking, so ordered this kit ahead of time and the bolts and studs fit perfectly. The hardware seems to be just as beefy or slightly more than the factory hardware. Only thing is it does not come with the washers and there are parts of the kit you don't use on the 4.0.